The quality of your communication determines the quality of your life. It is not about what you say, it is all about how you say. If I ask one question to you, the difference between speaking and communication is that speaking is the thing. There is a one-way communication. There is only speaker will say something. But when coming to the communication is the two-way communication. There are listener or speaker, both interact with each other, share their experience, thoughts. But today in this world, communication has played a vital role. Coming to the interview, coming to the salesperson, as a student, as a employee, you have to convince to others every day. हम लाइफ में चाहते हैं अपनी बात हर कोई माने. हम चाहते हैं कि अपनी ड्रीम लाइफ, ड्रीम जॉब चाहिए. लेकिन एवरीथिंग इज ओनली पॉसिबल थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन. द वे वी आर कन्विंसिंग अदर्स मैटर्स a lot. Here I am sharing how to improve communication skills. Communication skills, it can be improved by practicing. Practice makes man perfect. You have to interact with the more people. You have to interact with the strangers. Then only you can improve your communications, because communications will give results, upgrades your life, generate more revenue, make your work done with others. As a leader, you have to keep away from the crowd and stand alone speak, because speaking is the learnable skill. Here, 3 simple methods I will be sharing to improve the communication skills. The number one thing, firstly I recommend, is that listening skills. Yes, we are not ready to accept anything from the speaker or other person. We are only just saying. हम बोलते जाते हैं, लेकिन हम कभी दूसरों की बात सुनते नहीं है. जब हम दूसरी की बात नहीं सुनते तो कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो पाता है. वहाँ पे जो डील होना था नहीं होता है. अब चाहे पेरेंट्स चिल्ड्रन के साथ हो, चाहे एम्प्लॉयर एम्प्लॉय के साथ हो, चाहे इंटरव्यूअर और जॉब सीकर के साथ हो, एक दोनों की कन्विंसिंग होता है. वो कन्विंसिंग जब आएगा तब लिसनिंग स्किल्स आप इम्प्रूवमेंट करो. दूसरों की जब भी बोल रहे हो आप सुनो. जब आप सुनते हो तो आप समझना स्टार्ट करते हो. You get the sufficient time to think and give the reply to the other person. The number 2 skill I would like to say is that reading books, because knowledge is powerful. Without knowledge we are nothing. अगर हमारे पास knowledge ही नहीं है, कुछ information ही नहीं है, हम कैसे कुछ communicate कर सकते हैं. चाहे जॉब हो, चाहे वर्क हो, कुछ भी हो, लेकिन हमें नॉलेज चाहिए. नॉलेज जब मिलेगा जब हम बुक्स रीड करते हैं. सो आई सजेस्ट टू रीड द नॉवेल्स, बिकॉज नॉवेल्स देर आर हिडन फैक्ट्स, resources, ideas. There are number of things you can get it through by reading books. Average successful person reads 4 to 8 hours every week. So now you can understand that the importance of reading books in day-to-day communication. The third thing I would like to say is that to improve your communication, you need to ask open-end question. When I say open-end question, that means हम पूछना चाहिए, आप क्यों ये काम करना चाहते हो, आपको क्या पसंद है, आप ये इस फील्ड पे कैसे आया. This is called open-end question. These are the 6 questions: when, where, how, why. So these all are open-end questions. You have to make your conversation lengthy. You have to make others convince to you. You have to ask open-end questions. Imagine राजू और सरिता, एक दोनों स्ट्रेंजर्स हैं, एक पार्टी में मिलते हैं. राजू जाता है कि द गर्ल सरिता के पास और पूछता है कि हाय. वो बोलती है कि हाय. उसके बाद आपका क्या नाम है? सरिता. आपका क्या नाम है? राजू. तो ये क्लोज एंड क्वेश्चन है. इस कन्वर्जेशन में व्हाट इज़ यूर नेम के बदले व्हाट इज़ यूर हॉबीज़. जब हॉबीज़ बोलना है तो वो लड़की, अदर पर्सन विल गिव द लेंथी आंसर्स, and in lengthy answers you can to find such a thing and ask again. This is all about open questions. So this is 3 simple methods to improve our communication skills. I hope this will be benefit to your further communication. Thank you very much for watching this video.